Hey, hello, this is Martin from Secrets, the channel for learning about trading and investing. Welcome to weekly stock picks with 3 stocks that we pick every week to find trading opportunities, momentum trading opportunities. And this is for the week starting from March 13th, Monday, 2023. Let's quickly go through that. Very few stocks are there which has got the momentum right now on the long side, but again, it is given a breakout. It is breaking out, looks like, right? So again, as you know, it's a government of India company. The dividend yield for that is 6%, so it's a portion of it as well. Look at this, the charts. This is what it's consolidating a rectangle pattern, and it is, you don't say it's broken out, but an entry can be made above the top of the alert candle. This week's candle high, weekly, it's a weekly charts. Look at the volumes are above average. Momentum is broken out, right, into the RSI 60 above zones, and the trend indicator radius is also showing it's rising up. So it's a consolidation breakout that could potentially work out, and there are since on the upside and towards the all-time high levels. Probably before that we can book the profit. So normally rectangle pattern consolidation breakout could be as much as the height of this consolidation zone. It could not go as much. So it's a swing trade. Remember that, good volumes, and momentum, and the trend is on the long side. So yeah, 113 entry, stop loss of 102 and 130 target is what we can look for. Portion size, trading, pyramiding, and all this can be done as per capital size and risk management techniques, right? But yeah, it can be done in any instruments, like you can play it on options or futures, or you can do it on cash, right? So that's a long trade, breakout trade. That's again gas authority of India, it's a government of India stock. And next we have a short trade, right? Bata is it's in footwear and accessories, and it's one of the leading brands of India. It's doing business out of India basically, and we are shorting it. Short side trades would be what could work out at the scenario, because it's, look at the charts. We have a panel channel. We have round and breakout, which didn't work out. It ended up as a fake out after 2-3 candles. It started sliding slowly, giving the feeling that it's a common handle. It didn't work out. The length of this has gone beyond that, and then look at the volumes above average. Red, big selling is happening for some reason, and the trend is rising up. It's trying from the bearish side. DMI negative signs, and momentum is dropped in with bearish zones, and then probably forming negative reverse divergence as well, right? Which is even more bearish results indicate. So entry can be the bottom of this previous candle, and then you can trail it towards the next support zone at 1261, right? So trend, momentum, and the price pattern and the trend line channel is indicating the problem for further breakthrough to happen on the downside. So the 39 could be an entry, and 1476 can be the stop loss of 75 points, and 1260 level can be what the targets can be. Look forward, and what is true RiskReward is what it gives basically, right? So yeah, so so that's a short trade, and that's a charts for it. And last one, third one, it's also short. It's Divi's Laboratories. Pharma is in the bearish territory. The only major industry structure that's in bearish territory is pharma. So this falls into that. It's an API, pharmaceutical ingredient. APIs and intermediaries and nutraceutical ingredients is what they specialize in TVs, right? But right now we have a chart that's showing head and shoulder breakdown. That's kind of confirmed on the weekly charts, right? Gap here, the gap has got filled actually, right? It means and then it's consolidating, but the target of this head and shoulder can be much more than that. The volumes are high, but it's falling if you look at it from the beginning of the pattern. If you see the volume, so the trend is in the below RSI 40, and it's rising. I mean, the momentum is in the RSI. Trend is also bearish and rising with rising strength, and it could give a reasonable risk reward if it breaks down. You can always have the trading stop losses, but yeah, the spread plan is talking about a -2 risk reward. If the breakdown happens, entry 2279 and 3000 stop loss. That's not much of a stop loss, right? Very small stop loss. If you're stopped out, fine. If you get it, you get it big. -2 at least you can get, and further you can trail also. 2, 3, 2, 5, 3 can be looked forward on the downside. after entering at 2279. It's fair enough, and yeah, it can be done using instruments, capital side positions as well as risk management techniques. Yeah, so that's the third one. The Divish Laboratories Pharma sector, short and but also short, and then you have Gale, which is a long trade for the next week, right? So that's it. If you're watching this and then no, not subscribing, please subscribe and share it to your friends. We have very few subscriptions and I appreciate your help in this world. Please like if you like it and subscribe and comment and share to all. Please. Thanks for watching. Happy trading. And also one more thing, if you want to avail the subscription of premium services and the channels where you get the stock picks and every week and details of which is given in the subscription in the description, you can check that, right? So yeah, so please subscribe and help us help us keep motivated in doing this, and happy trading, happy learning, happy investing. Bye bye.